Ever feel tired of typing the same email or phrase again and again? Here's how to make your Samsung keyboard suggest it automatically. To do so, open any app where you can use the keyboard. For example, while you are texting on WhatsApp, tap the text field to show up the keyboard. Then, tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Tap text shortcut. Next, tap the plus icon. In the shortcut field, type the shortcut word, for example, email. Then, in the expanded phrase field, type the full phrase like my email at email.com. Next, tap add to save the shortcut. As you can see, the shortcut has been added to the list. To see how it works, go back to your WhatsApp. Type email on the keyboard. You will see my email at email.com suggested. Tap the suggestion to insert it instantly, or if you enable auto replace, you can tap the spacebar to insert it automatically. So why you might use this? Since text shortcuts are perfect for things like email addresses, phone numbers, or repeated phrases, anything you often type manually, then using this feature will help speed up your typing and reduces errors. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.